MLA ka Jowai ma Wailadmiki ula play pipe ba yaka entrepreneurship cell cell but la pelong ru yaka entrepreneurship awareness program ha Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai. Kani ka jingalang play pipe ba la pelong ha ka hall jong college ha ka khatlai trik jemang bala penya da Dr. PMB Rani co-convener cell. Ha ka jingkran lampang jongka ka principal ka college ka Dr. Aidakar kala ong baka thong jong ka ni ka isal kalong bantaw ya ka rukam perkhat ka bathamai ban kentiu ya ka kam seng jam hapo ka rilum jantia khamtam hapdeng ki samla puli kasal kanyarap ru ban penkala ya ka jing majim perkhat jong ki samla sha ki kam khayi bat ban penstor ya ki ban shim ya ka kam sengkam kum ka wei na ki la trekam basngan ki jing thmu jong ka isal ki kenthop ban thau ya ka rukam ka bakan tiu ya ka kam sengkam ban penstor ya ka min sim sengkam ha ki samla ban yara ban pen kala ya ka jingmut shai ki kam khayi ki bala ban le bat ban pet ya ka kam sengkam kum kala jing tre ka bapaka Uma Wailadmiki haba a jingkren kum ukong san ulaong nga ay ka jingaro ya ka sin jam jong college hakapur baki samla ki mad ya ka jingkerdu kam kerdu jam kum kini kilat kilong ki badan kam haka jingalam jong menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat ki sangma badan ru ka kerdan puli haka kam sengjam ka sorkar kala persyang bantawi kilat kilinti ban kentiu ya ka kam sengkam Kamla satya bak sorkar kan ai kam sorkar ya manla way pa way Henry day ban kentiu ya ka jingla jong ki samla kalong kinong pen mi kam Uba Nathaniel Kharkangor Senior Manager ka EPDP Prime Meghalaya haba jingkran kum uriu shampang ulaong balingba ka ka isel ki samla kin sala ban kelalong kinong pen mi kam ban yarap ru ekway ulaong ban long unong pen mi kam ubajam usamla ude bandan ya kamin sim mudur ban ithu ekjing ban wat kilinti ban wengeki
I'd like to congratulate the college for another milestone, another achievement and another opportunity, especially for our youth of the region, because this is the need of the hour. Looking at the present scenario, the unemployment, and I think this is the best way, the best approach, and the way forward. So I'd like to once again to congratulate and I'd like to acknowledge the efforts taken by the college. Really, this is the need of the hour. No doubt, as you have seen under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, who himself has a degree on entrepreneurship. And under his leadership, he has tried his level best to create the ecosystem of how we can bring more skill and entrepreneurs, because we do understand that it is not possible for our government or any other government in the world to give government job to each and everyone. So that's why we have tried our level best to give the opportunity for our youth, especially in the entrepreneurship.
Which I will get to a little bit more details in my speech later on. And then we conduct exposure visits and training as well for the faculty to empower them with skills sets that they can further guide the students in their entrepreneurial journey. This e-cell that we start to you guys to become government employees. What a government employee, especially in the words of in Gujarat, they call them government servants because servants means like a person who depends on somebody else for money. However, if you guys become entrepreneurs through this e-cell that we will set up in your college, you will not become job seekers, but job givers. And I hope that gives a little bit of spark for you guys in this entrepreneurial journey that you want to start. My name is Nathaniel Karbor. I have 4 years of work experience with Plie. I've worked with various kinds of startups and entrepreneurs from rural to urban. And I will be telling you in detail later on about the journeys and the difficulties for which you will face as an entrepreneur if you choose to follow this path. This is just a short speech. Later on, I'll give a more detailed explanation of these. Thank you very much.